Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, now we will finish. How many blocks? 2 blocks we will finish. What is that? 2 blocks? 5-digit numbers. Then comparing 5-digit numbers. Are you remember that chapter? Then today we will start the new block. Before I will ask, we will conduct one exam. How many of them got full marks? Okay, you study well, you rectify your mistake and do more problems in that chapters. Okay, then you will understand that problem. Okay, then today we will start the new block. In vacation we will celebrate Eid, Vishu and Easter. Okay, are you celebrating? I know most of them staying home, we will celebrate it. Okay, in that time, in that celebrations, your parents gave some pocket monies. In that celebrations, they gave some pocket money. Suppose that your father gave. Father. How much money your father gave? 1,000. Okay, 1,000. Then your mother. She's very lovely too, so she gave 1,500 rupees. 1,500 rupees. Then your grandfather. Your grandfather gave. He also 1,500 rupees. Then your brother or sister. Brother or sister gave 500 rupees. Then how much money you have? How you get? Anyone have any idea? How you get the total amount you have? How you get? Yes, adding. How you get? Adding. Here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So today our new block is adding 4-digit numbers. What is our new block? Adding 4-digit numbers. Adding 4-digit numbers. Then how you get this total? And 1,000. All gave 1,000. Very easy to find out. Okay. Father gave 1,000. Mother gave 1,000. And grandfather 1,000. And sister or brother gave 1,000. Then how much money you get? 4,000. Very easy to find out. But here one is 1,000. One is 1,500. Another is 1,500. Then 500. How you get? You'll check it. 1,000 plus 1,500 plus 1,500 plus 500. How you get this? Then we know 500 very easy to add. Then 1,000. So we'll just arrange these numbers. 1,000 plus here 1,000 plus 500. 1,000 plus 500 we will get 1,500. That you all know. 1,000 rupees and 500 rupees. 1,500. Here also 1,000 plus 500. That's 500. Okay. Then from this 1,500, how you get this 1,000 plus 500? From this number we will get that 1,000 plus 500. One relation is there. We have studied that. 1,500 is equal to 1,000 plus 500. What is that? This is standard form. This is expanded form. This is standard form and this is expanded form. This is expanded form and this is standard form. In the previous block you have studied that. Okay, first block, expanded form and standard form. Okay, and this numbers expanded form is 1000 plus 500. So our first lesson is adding in using expanded form. Adding using the expanded form. Our adding using expanded form. This is our topic, adding using expanded form. Then we will check it how much money you have. Ready? Then we are adding here 1000, 1000, 1000. So you are writing together these thousands. Then remaining 500 only. So this 500, here also 500, 500. Then 1000 plus 1000, 2000. 2000 plus 1000, 3000. Plus 500 plus 500. What is the value of 500 plus 500? 1000. Then 1000 plus one more 500 is there. 1000 plus 500. 1500. 1500. Okay. Then 3000 plus 1500. Very easy to find out. We will add this to this expanded form also will return. 1000 plus 1000. Sorry, 3000 plus 1000 plus 500. 3000 plus 1000, 4000. 4000 plus 500. What is the value of 4000 plus 500? 4500. Then you imagine how much money you have. 4500. Then first we are expanded the given numbers, then adding the numbers, then you will get the sum. Okay. Then we will do more problems. We will discuss another problem here. Add $3,523 and 4,233. 4,233. 3,523 and 4,233. How you add these numbers? First, we want to expand these numbers. What is the first number? 3,523. Then you say, how you expand this number? Say the answer. How you expand? 3,523. Yes, 3,000 plus. Next number, 3,000 plus. Next, 500 plus then 20 plus 3. First, we want to expand it the first number, 3,523. How you expand? 3,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 3. The same way you write on the second numbers expansion. 4,233. How you expand? Yes, 4,000 Next 200 plus 30 plus 3. Okay. Then after expanding, what we do? We are adding the values. Okay. Here 3 plus 3. What is the value of 3 plus 3? 9 or 6? 6. 9 is 3 into 3 is 9, not 3 plus 3. Okay. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 is the answer here. Then 20 plus 30. What is the value of 20 plus 30? 50. Good. Then 500 plus 200. What is the value of 500 plus 200? Say loudly. Yes, 700. Very good. Then 3000 plus 4000. Say the answer. Say loudly. Yes, 7000. Then you will get the expanded form of the answer. Then we want to change this expanded form to standard form. How you write the standard form? Sorry, 7000. Okay, 7000 plus 700 plus 50 plus 6. What is the standard form of 7000 plus 700 plus 50 plus 6? Yes, very good. 7756. So, add 3523 and 4233. The answer or sum is 7756. Okay. We will do one more problem. Add 7203 add 7203 and 2183. 2183. Then you check it how you find the answer. You say how to find the answer. First we want to expand the given numbers. First we want to expand the given numbers. What is the number here? 7203. Expand this number. Say loudly. Yes, 7000 plus next 200 plus 0 plus 3. 7000 plus 200 plus 0 plus 3. Then second number 2183. How you expand this number? Very good. 2000 plus 100 plus 80 plus 3. The next we want to do adding the numbers. 3 plus 3. What is the value of 3 plus 3? 6. 0 plus 80? 80 or 0? Yes, 80. 80. 200 plus 100? 300. Then 7000 plus 2000? 9000. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 2, 9. Then we will get the expanded form only. That is the answer. No, we want to make this expanded form to standard form. 9,000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 6. What is the standard form of 9,000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 6? Yes, very good. 9,386. 9,386. Okay, you are clear for adding using expanded form? In textbook one word problem is there. We will do that word problem. Can I read the question? You listen the question first. Okay. Bhavana had rupees 6,725. Bhavana had rupees 6,725. She got rupees 5,523. 5,523 more from the bank. She have already 6,725 rupees. Then from bank she got 5,523. Then how much money does she have now? Now how much money she have? Already she have 6,725. Then from bank she get 5,523. Then how much money she have now? How you get? Adding these two numbers. Again, first we want to write she have. How much money she have? This is a word problem. So you write the steps. How much money she have? How much money she have? Rupees 6,725. Okay. How much money she get from bank? How much money she get from bank? 5,523. Then total money. How much money she have now? How you get? We are adding these two numbers. 6,725 plus 5,523. Then how you add these numbers? First we want to expand it. The numbers 6,725. How you expand this number? Say loudly. 6,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 5. Okay. Next we want to expand the second number. What is the second number? 5,523. Then how you expand the second number? 5,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 3. Then we expand the numbers. Then what we do? Adding the expanded form. 5 here 3. 5 plus 3 8. Then 20 plus 20 40. 700 plus 500 700 plus 500. What is the value of 700 plus 500? 1200. Good. Then 6000 plus 5000. 11,000. Then 11,000. 1200. 40 plus 8. Then we want to make this standard form. 11,000 and 1,200. Here 1,000. We will check it. Here expand this form one more. 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 8. Again I expanded here because of add easily. Okay. 10,000 here 10,000. Then 1,000 plus 1,000 2,000. So here 10,000, here 2,000. 12,000. Then 200. 48. 12,248. How much money she have now? How much money? 12,248. Once more I explain. She have already 6,725 rupees. Then from bank she get 5,523. Okay. Then the question is how much money she have now. Then we want to find the total amount. How you find the total amount? First we want to expand the numbers or the cash. First number is 6,725. How you expand the 6,725? 6,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 5. Second number is 5,523. How you expanded 5,523? 5,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 3. Then after expanding you want to add the expanded form. 5 plus 3. What is the value of 5 plus 3? 8. So you write here 8. Then 20 plus 20. 20 plus 20? 40. So you are writing here 40. Then 700 plus 500. 700 plus 500. 7 plus 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is the value? 12. So 1,200. Then 6,000 plus 500. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11,000. So here 11,000, here 1,200, 40 plus 80. So again I will explain. Otherwise you add these numbers also. Okay, no problem. Then 10,000, 1,000, 11,000 I expanded here. 10,000 plus 1,000. Then 1,200, 1,000 plus 200, 40 plus 8. Okay. Then 10,000, here 1,000. Here also 1,000. One more 1,000 is there. 1,000 plus 1,000, 2,000. So 10,000 plus 2,000, 12,248. Got it? Okay. We will do more problems from your textbook, additional questions from your textbook and workbook problem also. Okay. How you add the given numbers? First we want to expand the numbers, then add it. Okay. Now clear it? Okay, thank you.